Are you a business professional looking to level up your English? Have you been struggling to understand or explain some concept to one of your foreign colleagues? I'm Teacher Amelia, and although I'm new here, I've actually been teaching English online for about 3 years now. I've already coached numerous business professionals in English online, and I'd like to help you too by providing valuable services such as polishing up your resume, helping you prepare for a job interview. And once you've landed that job, I'll be here to help you as well by getting you ready for an important speech or simply helping you construct a concise, easy to follow email, no matter how complex the content. What sets me apart from many other language teachers is my vast amount of global business experience. In addition to coaching business professionals online for the past 3 years, I also spent a decade working for international corporations as an engineer in a variety of industries. A big part of my role involved communicating technical concepts to non-native English speakers. I've worked with people from North America, South America, Europe, and Asia, and together we were able to successfully launch hundreds of consumer products onto the global market. In September of 2016, I became TEFL certified and quickly discovered that teaching English online is my labor of love. I'm here because it's my mission to help people from different countries learn English. You see, once the world knows English, business transactions will go more smoothly and people will become better connected. Now don't get me wrong, I'm no corporate bore, and aside from online education, I'm kind of an adrenaline junkie. My hobbies include riding my motorcycle, rock climbing, dancing, trying new things, and exploring new places. So if you're a thrill seeker at all like me, we'll surely have plenty to talk about.